Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Fastly, full guide step by step clearly. On the home page, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your contact information, including your name, email address, and company name. Choose a secure password for your account and enter it in the designated field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided on the page. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once all fields are completed, click the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Fastly. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Fastly website where you can log in. Return to the home page and enter your email and password in the login fields. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, explore the Fastly dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Review the different plans available to determine which best fits your needs. Select your preferred plan by clicking the corresponding Select or Choose Plan button. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. After entering your information, review the summary of your subscription. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Confirm or Complete Purchase button. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Return to your Fastly account dashboard to begin using the services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.